Wow, so many people here today. Morning.
Good morning, say hi.
Have a nice trip.
Oh, have a nice trip.
Yeah. Yeah, same. Oh. Okay, the visa is done. It's time to fly tomorrow. The good thing is everything is perfect. They gave me like within 20 to 25 minutes. It's very quick. That did the best job. Thank you so much. The thing is, if you don't take the visa from here, so we have to take the line in the Nepal airport. Sometimes there's a lot of lines, you know, like 1 hour, 2 hours. Okay, now we are going back to Queens. So everything's done. The visa is ready, flight is ready. So the train here is 6 a.m. So you can put the car here. Good morning, guys. So this is LaGuardia Airport. We just passed by. Now we are heading to the John F. Kennedy Airport, International Airport, on the Grand Central Parkway East. Okay, it's very nice. It's good traffic. Okay, we just got to the JFK Airport. You see, a lot of luggage. Emirates. A lot of people on the line. Good things we come here early. Tons of people right here. Yeah, that's the JFK Airport left, so JFK Airport International. JFK International Airport. Yeah, we just checked in. So now we're going to bathroom and going to get cups of coffee. Very nice. Wow. Oh, yeah. Maybe I need this one today. I need that one for the long flight. Excuse me. Where I get the bathroom? This way?
Where your gate?
Bathroom.
No, where's your gate? Your gate?
Oh, okay. A6. A6.
A6 here, so go straight down, make a right.
Make a right.
Keep going down, you're gonna see the bathroom down there.
Oh, okay. Appreciate it. Thank you. Oh, so now. So I'm looking for the gate A6. A6, so I isn't that way. So first we're going to go to the bathroom and come back here to get cups of coffee. The Dunkin' Donut. Okay. Wow, so many people here today. Oh, Rolex. With coffee, tea. Wow, nice restaurant here. Irish. Maybe I go here. Let me see. Irish pop restaurant. Oh, very nice. Beautiful restaurant. Oh, okay. Very nice. Rolex here, Rolex, you see? Rolex, wow. Everywhere is Rolex in JFK Airport. So my waiting area is right here, A6. Thank you. Coffee. Okay, get some coffee. Hello, good morning. Okay. How are you, mommy? Good morning. Can I get cups of coffee, please? Coffee? Coffee, yeah.
So
Medium
you have
size.
a camera, video camera?
Yes, yes, I'm YouTuber.
So everywhere you go, you talk to everybody?
Yeah.
So me on the video now?
Yes. Tourist. Say hi. Say hi. Good morning.
Good morning, say hi. Oh, have a nice trip.
Yeah, thank you.
So it's self-serve, you take your coffee?
Oh, I take myself? No problem. Oh, I make myself, right? Okay. Okay, New York City. Yeah, JFK Airport is different things you have to do yourself, self-service. So I'm gonna put the sugar. This is the regular sugar. Only one sugar. Yeah, only one sugar. Yeah, not too much sugar. Okay. I think this is the regular coffee. Okay.
So they have
There's a donuts if you want, but I don't like donut. It's too much sugar. All right, I'm gonna put some creams here. And do like this. And without milk. I'm gonna get a stick here.
okay, glazed donuts.
I think my video is not capturing this one. Okay. Then I'm gonna get covered. Covered is not here.
Okay, fine.
Is she here?
Okay, I'm gonna drink the coffee before I pay. I need it. Lama konjosumda 제발 뭐 야gar pani 제발. Oh yes, good taste. Yeah, coffee is fresh. I think it's very good taste. Oh, I like the coffee. It's fresh, right? I like it.
Nice coffee.
Yeah, I need coffee before I fly. You know.
The cash or card?
Card, please.
It's okay.
Good. Oh, you're welcome. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. I'll see you in the way back. Yeah. I see you guys after months. After months, yeah. You see? Let me see the workers here. Very good worker made in France. It's 40% alcohol. Oh, 1 liter, 47 bucks. 47 bucks. Okay, this is a new one. Wow, $47.
Smaller,
Okay.
and it's the same VSOP, but it is
Maybe I need the gold label or
packaging and everything.
black labels.
No, it's a collector's edition. It's 70 cl.
Jack Daniel whiskey, $54.
85.
Where's the black label? Let me see. Oh, right here. This is the gold label, $80. And the black label, this is the black label, 150. Wow, amazing, nice.
Hello, are you getting home?
Hi, I'm good, thank you. You have the 1 liter one?
The one.
Oh, right there. Oh, right here, right here. This is the 1 label. Okay. $79. $49. Okay. I remember this was $47. Now $2 off. Before I took still. Okay, I get here some pillows for the long flight.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mr. Sedley, thank you. CE and F.
Yeah, thank you. E and F 72. Oh, all the way up.
Like the hedgehog, Cinderella.
72.
Daddy,
72. Hi, good morning. Ah, ngayon filming. 58. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you doing? 72.
That will be, it's actually a couple of rows in the next cabin.
72 this way, right? 72.
Yes.
Right. Ay, 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 ay. Excuse me. 72.
72. 72 right here, right? Oh, thank you.
Why don't you ask this one?
Wait.
This one. Second one.
Oh, it's here? Oh,
Yeah.
okay. I put it here. It's okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Okay.
Thank you, thank you.
All right. This is your right? Okay. Okay. Beautiful. Okay. Yeah, here's one pillow. One pillow. And this is headphones. And one blanket here. The blanket in case I need it. Okay. Now let me see what else we get. All right, this is the screen. Very nice. See? Oh, yes. And expandable. You see? That is the table. That's it. Like this. Okay. These are my tickets. All right, let me see what it is. Oh, this is the instruction in case the plane has some issue. Instruction how to jump and how to get the oxygen and how to put the belt, the safety instructions. All right, so what is this? This is the magazine something. Let me open. Oops, so many things. This is the vomit bag, which I don't need it. Yeah, this is the vomit in case. That this is also appetize. I don't know. Yeah. See, magazines. Nice watches, wallet, and perfumes. Oh, jewelry. See, it's beautiful. Oh, mamacita. Yeah. This is the roll. The watches. Watches. Okay. All right, nice bag. Yeah, this is the headphone. These are the charger, UPS, and this is the remote control. See, you can play game and you can watch the movie. Screen touch. Charger. Really nice. Yeah. So this is the blanket, which I don't need, so I just wanna keep it like that. They can use for the next passenger, so I don't want to open it. So this is the way what everybody is supposed to do. Don't mess up with their stops. All right, if you don't need use, if you don't want to use, just keep it like that. The religious stuff the Buddhist protection. You don't get any problems when you're traveling. It's a protection, the protection by Buddha. And there is a lot of the Buddhist medicine protection inside inside this. And yeah, this is very nice. This lady give to me. Yeah, this lady giving to everybody. I think toothpaste and a brush. You see the way how the pack is really amazing. You cannot open it without remove this one. So they make it very good. So first we need to cut this one, then we can open it. So now let me see, I'm gonna cut this one. Okay, keep this one, then you can open it, otherwise not possible to open. What else here? Yeah, this for the eye when you sleep. Yeah, I need this one. I like this one. Here's the one socks. Okay, this is the brush. You see, nice, beautiful. What else? The toothpaste. Okay, and here is some papers. Yeah, it's beautiful. Let me see what I get here. Yeah, I have orange juice. Okay, now let me see. Oh yes, chicken. Wow, looks yummy. What is this? Nice. Yeah, I don't know what this. Chocolate something. And this looks like rice, and here's the bread, and this is cheese powder. And a fork spoon here. Yeah, the salt, pepper, and forks, knife, spoons. That's what it comes with it. Okay, let me try.
stinging.
Okay. All right, let's go to buy some whiskey.
बक्स देखेर 1000 दिनमा कसरी पैसा खान्छ सर बक्स देखेर कपिल 1 लिटर हैन 750 बेच्दै हो
Black label.
यहाँ कोही छैन न आफै पिक्छ अहिले फेरि आइहाल्यो ब्रेकमा
You okay?
Yeah, I work here.
I'm going to Nepal from here, you know. Universal, yeah.
Towel black.
So, one bottle per
One
person.
bottle for one person.
Okay, how much dollar?
That's $55.56.
55.6 US dollars. Okay, okay. It comes with a box or no?
Just keep it there with the box.
Yeah, it's better for me, you know. Yeah. Yeah, same. Alright, I take one or two of these.
If you want two, then go for this one with discounted price. Same two bottle inside.
Two?
Save the money.
Okay, two inside.
Two bottle inside. But without box,
Yeah, it's okay.
it's okay.
Okay.
Nepal.
Okay, you're from Nepal.
So how
right?
long will you stay in Nepal?
1 month.
1 month.
1 month. So
Okay. Just
we
carry,
have to carry in.
let's carry there and tell them you got 2%.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Dhanyabad.
Dhanyabad.
So how much you say this one now?
$100, sir.
100. Okay, okay. 100. All right. Thank you. Do ni ni kya do? Di ni kya gomo di yare sha.
Gomu jala ni.
Yare ni. Di da wa sega ni na. Ngap ju nga re do wa.
Ale.
Ngap ju nga re do ni. Di da ni. Di ni gomo ju se do.
Gomu chu ke.
Chu kya.
Gomu chu. Di ni yore.
De ni.
Ale. Ni köçüge pagel.
미리라 리라 찍마 캐쳐면도.
Ale. Camera on चाहिए.
Yeah, okay.
Ale.
1 liter, right?
1 liter.
1 liter, 1 liter. 2 liter, right? 2 liter. Okay, okay, 2 liter. This is, you know, 1 liter.
Little bit expensive. But if you're buying 3 liter, there's discount. 3 bottle, there's
3,
20%
no,
discount.
we have only 2 people.
You're 3%, right?
No, he said we are different.
Ah.
Okay, thank you.
Right,
See
nice
you.
flight. Enjoy.
See you, thank you. Okay, sir. $100.
Boarding bus.
Boarding pass? Yes. That's good. 2. 1 is good. Thank you. I'll pay with the card is good?
Yeah, no problem. Can I have your email address?
Sure. Yeah, nice to meet. Meet brother Captain Vijay Lama.
Pleasure meeting somebody from New York today.
Okay, now we are flying to Kathmandu, Nepal from Dubai. Wow, very nice. Amazing. Alright, now we are about landing to Kathmandu airport. Kathmandu city view.
그랬어. 엄다리 그랬어. Oh, now yeah, Karuna city view. Beautiful, beautiful, yeah. It's very nice trip. I'm so happy to see the Mr. Captain Vijay Lama on the trip. We are in the same plane right now. It's very happy to see him. Om Tare Gagar. Oh my god. Oh.